Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best plastic melter is probably one of the most versatile and innovative tools you can add to your workshop or crafting space, allowing you to transform discarded plastic into useful new items or artistic creations with remarkable ease and efficiency, making it an eco-friendly solution for recycling and upcycling. Number 5. Massca 80W Portable Plastic Welding Kit. Introducing a professional-grade plastic welder designed for versatile repairs. It's perfect for various surfaces like car bumpers, kayaks, or even ATV fuel tanks. This expanded tool kit includes everything you need. You get a hot iron welder, a hands-free stand, reinforcing mesh, quality plastic rods, and a wire brush for cleaning. Experience high-powered performance in a portable package. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and heats up quickly to 525 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for indoor or outdoor use. This system is superior to standard welders and works with various plastic materials like TPO, TEO, and pages. It's great for expanding your repair capabilities or creative projects. We take pride in the quality and reliability of our welding kits. It's backed by responsive customer service and a 30-day guarantee for your peace of mind. What we like. This kit offers professional-grade repairs for a wide range of plastic items, from car bumpers to kayaks. Its expanded tool kit ensures you have everything needed for a complete job. If you're looking for a versatile and powerful tool for DIY projects or professional surface repairs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The plastic melter heats up quickly and melts plastic evenly, making it easy to create custom shapes. Its compact design allows for easy storage and portability, perfect for small workshops or on-the-go projects. The adjustable temperature control provides precise melting, ensuring optimal results for different types of plastics. Number 4. SONNLER 2-in-1 Plastic Welder Hot Stapler. Say goodbye to unsightly cracks and broken plastic parts. Our plastic welding kit offers a quick and efficient solution for repairing various plastic materials, from automotive bumpers to household items. Restore your items to their original strength in no time. This repair kit includes high-quality hot staplers and accessories, meticulously crafted to seamlessly fuse different types of plastics. With easy-to-follow instructions, even beginners can achieve professional-grade results. Save money by repairing instead of costly replacements. Sufficient accessories are included to meet your various plastic welding needs, saving you thousands of dollars every year. This kit is a worthwhile investment for any repair task. This welder heats up very quickly, reaching 400 degrees Celsius 752 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2 to 3 seconds. This allows for efficient repair of plastic parts, ensuring staples melt perfectly into the plastic without going through. Equipped with a front light, it's more convenient and safer to operate. We provide a 1-year quality guarantee and are here to solve any problems within 24 hours. What we like. This 2-in-1 plastic welding kit provides a quick and efficient solution for repairing broken plastic parts, especially car bumpers. With a massive 1000 PCS of hot staplers included, you're set for numerous repairs. If you frequently deal with cracked plastic and want a cost-effective way to restore items to their original strength, this tool is a great investment. What people say. The plastic melter is very easy to use and heats up quickly. It melts plastic smoothly and creates a strong bond. The compact design makes it convenient for small projects. Number 3. JOUNJIP Deluxe Plastic Welding Kit UL Certified. Introducing the JOUNJIP Deluxe Plastic Welding Kit, your UL certified solution for professional-grade plastic repairs. It's designed for safety and power, making repairs easy. Save money with this cost-effective kit, perfect for DIY repairs on a wide range of plastic items. Fix car parts, kayaks, tanks, and more with ease. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for successful repairs. It comes with various rods, tips, tapes, and tools for all your plastic welding needs. Your safety is paramount. This welder is UL certified, ensuring it meets strict safety standards for your peace of mind and that of your family. Experience efficient plastic welding with its high-temperature capabilities, reaching up to 525 F. This airless welder is designed for effective repairs on various plastics. Easily swap between different welder tips to tackle any repair job. From small tabs to larger bumper repairs, it handles it all with precision. With a powerful 80-watt heating element, this professional-grade iron is built to handle diverse thermoplastic materials. Repair automotive parts, recreational equipment, and household items effectively. What we like. Prioritizing safety, this UL-certified plastic welder ensures peace of mind during use. It comes as a comprehensive deluxe kit with various rods and tips for different repair needs. If you are looking for a safe, versatile, and professional-grade plastic repair solution for automotive parts, recreational equipment, or household items, this kit is ideal. What people say. This plastic melter is incredibly efficient, melting plastic in under 30 seconds. The precision nozzle allows for intricate designs and repairs, making it versatile for various projects. Its lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during extended use. Number 2. Do It Hot Pot 2 Electric Lead Melting Pot. Introducing the Hot Pot 2, designed to simplify your lead casting projects. It melts lead bars quickly and efficiently, making your workflow much easier. This powerful pot can process over 20 pounds of lead per hour. Simply fill it with lead, plug it into any standard outlet, and watch it melt. It's capable of melting various low-temperature alloys like lead and tin. Whether you're crafting fishing weights, ingots, or other items, it has you covered. Perfect for creating sinkers and bullets, it features pouring spouts on both sides for easier and safer use. This makes pouring into molds a breeze. Designed for ease of use, it's great for both hobbyists and large-scale production. Expect a significant increase in your output with this tool. Proudly made in the USA, each unit is crafted with local materials and labor. This ensures you receive a product of the highest quality and reliability. What we like. This electric lead melting pot is designed for efficiently melting low-temperature alloys like lead and tin. It heats up quickly and features easy pour spouts, making it safer and simpler than traditional furnaces. If you're involved in making fishing weights, bullet casting, or other projects requiring melted lead, this USA-made pot is an easy-to-use and effective solution. What people say. The plastic melter is easy to use and heats up quickly, making it efficient for various crafting projects. Its compact design allows for convenient storage and portability, which is great for crafters on the go. The adjustable temperature control provides versatility, enabling precise melting of different types of plastics for detailed work. Number 1. RapidFire Programmable Tabletop Kiln Melter. Introducing a professional portable kiln, designed for both portability and performance. It's ideal for a variety of crafting needs, from jewelry making to metal clay and enameling. Experience efficient heating with our rapid heat technology. It reaches up to 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit in just minutes, significantly reducing your project time. Take full control with the advanced programmable PID controller. It offers precise temperature management with 30 programmable steps for accurate ramp and soak cycles. This kiln is built to last with a durable construction. It features an embedded heating element and a robust steel body designed to withstand high temperatures. Despite its compact size, it offers a spacious firing chamber. This provides ample room for your jewelry burnout, glass pieces, and enameling projects. It runs efficiently on a standard 15-amp circuit, requiring no special wiring. This makes it a convenient addition to any workshop or studio. Proudly made in the USA, this kiln comes with a user manual, technical support, and a 90-day manufacturer's warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This professional portable kiln utilizes rapid heat technology to reach high temperatures quickly, perfect for small to medium projects. Its advanced programmable controller allows for precise ramp and soak cycles, ensuring optimal results. If you're a jeweler, metal clay artist, or enameler looking for a compact, efficient, and controllable kiln for your creative work, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The product is easy to use and works great for melting plastic. It heats up quickly and melts plastic evenly, making it perfect for crafts and repairs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.